Hey guys, Ryan Blair here at Kaizink, showing off a quick and easy improvement in small format, and that was to cart 7 here. So the vacuum cleaner was just kind of stuffed in there, and the hose was just kind of wrapped around it, and anytime you were ready to use it, you'd kind of fumble with it and fight with it to get it out, and also to stuff it back in there. So all I did was I just took a cord that we had lying around, drilled a couple holes in it, and zip tied it to the edge. Now it's very easy to get the hose in and out, as well as turn on the power. The other improvement to this cart was the bottom of it was full of all of our Wire-O binding rings, and the Wire-O machine is actually on this cart. So what I did is I moved them all over to the Wire-O cart, and then I had a bunch of room. So what I did was I took our padding machine in the back there, our padding station, which was tucked behind this cutter, which was also difficult to get in and out as that space in between there is pretty small. So I put that on the cart, as well as grabbed the padding glue and the NCR compound, which was kind of buried in there. There was some other stuff on top of it, and moved that below the padding station. So yeah, thanks for watching.